Are you looking for the best laptops for programming and coding? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Apple MacBook Air. Apple MacBook Air is a great computer for anyone in the market for an upgrade. It's very lightweight and portable, yet still powerful enough to handle most tasks. The design is extremely slim, sleek and modern, and the computer comes in 4 beautiful color options: Midnight, Space Gray, Silver, and Starlight. The fast M2 chip can easily handle general productivity tasks, like programming. There's also a hefty 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. In terms of display, Apple wins with the 13.6-inch screen featuring 2560 by 1664 pixels. It's a Retina display, and it displays very sharp images and text due to its high pixel density. MacBook Air's backlit keyboard has a full-height function row and Touch ID. The keys have adequate travel and are comfortably spaced. Also, there is a super smooth trackpad here. Unfortunately, it only has 2 USB-C ports, and its M2 SoC only supports 1 external display. The 13.6-inch MacBook Air have no cooling fans, thus, if you know you'll be using your laptop for heavy tasks, you may want the MacBook Pro for its fans. It has a powerful battery that lasts up to 18 hours. The battery life is excellent, so you won't have to worry about getting sidetracked by a power outage. We recommend the MacBook Air M2 to programming users who want an ultra-portable with fantastic battery life. At number 2. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 159520 is a great laptop for programming. It has a high-resolution OLED display, an excellent keyboard, and powerful processing capabilities. Powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i9-12900HK processor, this Dell XPS 15 has a 32GB of RAM, 1TB SSD storage, and a discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU. The XPS 15 laptop's processing capabilities are powerful enough to handle complex tasks, which elevates your productivity, creativity, and programming to a whole new level. The 15.6-inch 4K touchscreen offers everything you expect from OLED panel, including deep, rich blacks, extra-sharp detail, and vibrant color, which is a dream to view. Dell XPS 15 is exceptionally thin and light for its size. The keyboard feels comfortable and responsive. The trackpad is luxuriously smooth and large. For connectivity, there's 3 Thunderbolt 4/USB-C ports, a headphone jack, and a microSD card reader. As far as battery life goes, it lasts about 6 to 9 hours, and that's no surprise for a laptop like this one with powerful processor and high-resolution screen. At number 3. Acer Aspire 5. If budget is your absolute priority, then you can't beat the Acer Aspire 5, a 515-45 or 74Z. For under $500, you get a really fast, extremely lightweight, and ultra-portable laptop. With a hexa-core AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, integrated AMD Radeon card, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of SSD storage, you can expect a smooth experience across the board. The Aspire 5 is also designed with future upgrades in mind. If you find you need a bigger SSD or more RAM later, it's fairly easy to pop in upgraded components. The device comes with a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display, allowing you to easily spot errors in your code. But the display has a limited color gamut of 64% sRGB, which saps vibrancy from the display. It has a backlit keyboard that feels comfortable to type on. Its touchpad is spacious and responsive, providing accurate navigation around Windows 11 without any hiccups or significant gestures. In terms of battery life, the Aspire 5 laptop can work up to about 7.5 hours after each charge. And it allows you to meet the maximum desired use for your work. For coding and other programming tasks, Acer Aspire 5 is an excellent option for students studying IT and beginners in programming. At number 4. Lenovo Ideapad 315. The Lenovo Ideapad 315 is another solid entry from Lenovo that should be a good option for anyone looking to start their programming journey. Ideapad is a line of consumer-oriented laptops from Lenovo. What really sets the Ideapad 3 apart from its competitors is the combination of price and performance. The screen is 15.6-inch, which makes it pretty comfortable for regular usage. It has a 1366 by 768 pixel HD resolution. This is not perfect, but still serviceable nonetheless. Tech specs is good enough to handle most programming needs because it comes with an Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, integrated Intel UHD graphics, 8GB RAM and 256GB of SSD storage. Another pro to the Ideapad 3 is that it's loaded up with ports, 3 USB-A ports, a combination audio jack, a multi-format SD media card reader, and 1 HDMI port. The 15.6 Ideapad 3 is accompanied by a full-width keyboard, one that includes a dedicated numeric keypad for spreadsheets and the like. The key presses feel soft but substantial, the keys are well spaced. This laptop feels well built, it's easy to carry around thanks to its thin and light design, and its battery lasts easily through a typical school day. If you're a programmer on a budget, then the Lenovo Ideapad 3 is an excellent choice.